Alright, what's up guys? How's everybody doing today? Welcome to a very special edition of Scootering. Today is the 50 subscriber special, and I want to give a big shout out to each and every one of you. Thank you so much. I mean, this little nothing YouTube channel is kind of almost half-assed turning into something, and I really appreciate you guys for it. We're going to celebrate today by doing a couple of things. We're going to kick it off by going to the Fart neighborhood, and that's right, it's a very special place. You'll see. So yeah, we're going to do that, and you know, before the end of this video, by the end of this video, we might actually even break the stock Honda Ruckus land speed record. So you're definitely not going to want to miss that. So be sure and stick around to the end. So anyway, yeah, I would have never thought it, but you know, at this point, thousands of you have watched videos of me riding this thing around here, and I really appreciate that. I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. Wow, that thing's pretty mangled. Okay, so yeah, some of you might be wondering, what is the Fart neighborhood? Well, it's a very special place, and some have even said it might have magical powers. So we're gonna go there so you guys can check it out. It's hot today, man. It's gonna be 115 degrees today in this neighborhood for about the 6th or 7th time already this season. But you know, summertime in Vegas, what are you gonna do? I'm not gonna stop scootering just because it's hot outside. Oh shoot, here we are. What a wonderful time to be alive. Look at this, guys. I don't know who did this, but I believe that they should be celebrated for the genius and visionary that they clearly are. Let's get a thumbnail real quick. Look at that. Is there a more beautiful sight? So yeah, this is it, guys. The Fart neighborhood. It's even called Lucky Street. Can you believe that? Incredible. While we're here, let's soak up all the good Fart neighborhood energy. Terrific. All right, now I didn't do this. I swear to God I didn't do this, but whoever did, my hat's off to you, my friend. All right, let's keep it going. Now, as you recall, I mentioned something earlier in this video about perhaps breaking the stock Honda Ruckus land speed record. There's a crazy road just a few blocks from here that's got a big dip on it for the kind of road that it is, and it gives you that stomach going up into your skull kind of feeling, which I could use that today. So we're going to do that, and in the process, let's see how fast we can get this thing to go. Alright, so while we're heading over there, let's talk about some things that are coming up on the channel. Just yesterday I was wondering if I can ride this thing from right here in the smelly part of Las Vegas all the way to California. Just 49 cc's. I wonder if I can get there and back in a day. In a couple of months, when the weather gets a little bit nicer, we're going to find out. So if you want to see that, be sure and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. I think it's down this road. I want to say it's this one. Olive. Yeah, here we go. All right, let's see if we can hit full speed before we get there, and then let's see if we can get it up any faster than that when we're going down the hill. Come on, little Ruckus. Oh shoot, here we go. 42. I guess that's all we're getting out of this thing. That was fun, man. That's almost as intense as riding my motorcycle slowly. You know what we're gonna do? Let's see what it's like to go up that hill on something with like 3.5 horsepower or whatever this thing's got. But that's a decent dip, and you can really kind of feel your stomach going up, or that sensation of it, you know? Yeah, not too bad. I couldn't have kept going up a hill like that more than, you know, going faster than maybe 10 miles an hour, but yeah. Alright, well I guess that's gonna do it for the 50 subscriber special, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.